When you hear the terms childless and child-free, what do they mean to you? For many, these terms could be used interchangeably, but for those who are part of the child-free movement, these terms mean something very different. When using the terms childless, it implies that a person is unable to have children. This could be because of lack of money and resources. This could be because of lack of a partner, or for most people, it's due to infertility because they're simply unable to have children. Child-free, however, is a voluntary action, someone who's actively deciding not to have children. This could be for personal reasons or for environmental. When hearing the terms childless and child-free, these terms often invoke serious emotion from people, especially when they're religious. These terms are often seen negatively. Because of this, people who are childless and child-free are often seen differently compared to those who have children. My research question is, how do individuals develop and disclose child-free identities? I want to know, how do these individuals share their child-free decisions with their family? And I also want to know, how do they find support and community? I use qualitative coding analysis of Reddit forums and several key search terms to explore how individuals develop and share their child-free identity. Reddit is a virtual place where people can get together and discuss specific topics in depth and detail. Often these topics are topics of interest, and a small community of users can get together and share their own thoughts and related media. I put Reddit responses, limiting them to 2 lines and classifying them according to emerging themes. For example, I classify responses that views child-free in positive or negative terms. So one user wrote, "Child-free couples are sinners," to which members of the child-free subreddit would classify this response as a bingo, which implies that someone has responded in a non-supportive nature. A bingo is a cliche phrase that is said to convince someone that their decision is wrong. Common bingos are, "You'll change your mind when you're older," "You're too young to make this decision," and "Who will take care of you when you're old?" These responses allow the child-free communities to come together and find support within each other, leaving people to give advice and comebacks for future bingos. This research makes several key contributions. It demonstrates that the use of Reddit forums as a new, rich data source. It contributes to our understanding of individuals, seeing communities not in a physical connection, but virtually. It shows how groups from all around the world can construct identities and support each other. Thank you.